Welcome dear Goinkans to the GK class. I hope you all are fine. In today's class we are going to talk about musical instruments, that's on page number 16 of your GK books. What is a musical instrument? A musical instrument is an instrument that is used to produce or to create a sound, and the person who plays a musical instrument is known as instrumentalist. In this exercise, you have to identify different musical instruments and write their names using the help box. So let's get started. The first instrument is harmonium. So write down harmonium in the space provided. Harmonium is a keyboard instrument, alright, and it is made of wood, metal and brass. It is used in Sufi, classical and ghazal composition. The next instrument is trumpet. It is a brass instrument that intensifies sound. The next instrument is flute. Write down flute in the space provided. Flute is a wooden instrument that produces sound from the flow of air across an openings. The next instrument is sitar. It is a stringed instrument. It has strings, alright, and it is of Indian origin. It is mostly used in Hindustani classical music, Indian classical music. And the next instrument is tabla. Tabla is a pair of hand drums, again from Indian origin, and is one of the oldest musical instrument in India. And the last instrument is synthesizer. Synthesizer. It's an electronic instrument that generates different audio signals. Alright, so this was all about musical instruments. Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's session with me. I'll get back to you with another session. Till then, stay blessed and take care.